This is a project that our crew completed is about mid-September of this year, 2024. We installed this brand new sidewalk ramp alongside the property, along with curb and gutter to direct the drainage from the house. So this sidewalk leads into the backyard area, where we also did a back patio addition. The customer had concrete pavers, a concrete paver patio, and we added these two stones and also replaced the window well. You know, when we're replacing a back patio like this and we come across a window well that's got some age to it, we tend to replace it while we've got the opportunity. Our crew finished this project using 4,500 PSI. That's the compressive strength of the mix which is used, and then we used a broom finish for all the installations. Altogether, this project took the crew 1 day to prepare and form and reinforce, and then the following day we poured that morning at 7 a.m. and completed by 1 p.m. So 2 days altogether. So basically, the homeowner just wanted to add on to this existing concrete paver patio with that new addition over to the right.
Okay, so this patio addition here, and then we did install a brand new window well since we were here getting everything done. So, and that was the entirety of the project. Everything we used here was we used 4,500 PSI concrete mix, and then number 3 rebar every 2 foot on center, and of course it was a 4-inch pour.
So if you're considering a small project at your home, business, or rental property, make sure to give us a call or visit our website at www.coloradoconcreteco.com.